Glass and glazing work is centred around the processing and installation of glass in both the construction and automotive industries. This is a highly innovative and technology-based industry where products and processes are continually improving to create warmer, drier and healthier homes and buildings throughout New Zealand. There are two different areas an apprentice can specialise in. Glazing, which involves installing the glass into houses, buildings and vehicles, and glass processing, which is the preparation and process prior to installation. Careers can progress in a variety of different ways, from processing glass on the factory floor, installation, to design, to being a manager and even your own boss. As an apprentice, it's important that you can listen and have a good head for measurements, quantities and angles. If you've already been working in the trade for some time, BCITO offers excellent opportunities to recognise your skills towards a formal qualification and also furthering your skills with advanced, on-the-job training for supervisors. Work can be both factory-based and mobile. It's a great opportunity to earn while you learn, and it's a rewarding, successful industry that is serving all of New Zealand.